Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Tomato Kayi Palya, that is green tomato curry. Green tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, C, K, potassium and dietary fiber. Perfect blend of spiciness, tartness and a tinge of sweetness makes this curry an excellent side dish. This curry goes well with steamed rice and chapatis. Now let us see how to prepare this. For making tomato kayi palya, that is green tomato curry, I have taken 1 bowl of green tomatoes cut into small pieces. For tempering, I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, little turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, 2 teaspoons of gram flour, salt to taste, little curry leaves, little coriander leaves. Keep a pan on stove and add 5 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seeds and hing, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, add chana dal, curry leaves, coriander leaves and fry for a few seconds. Now add green tomatoes. Add salt, jaggery, mix well. Cover and cook without adding water. Keep stirring in between. Cover again and cook. Let us check this. Tomatoes are well cooked. Now add gram flour, red chili powder and give this a good mix. Cook on a low flame till all the water gets evaporated. Green tomato curry is ready. Transfer this into your plate. A healthy and tasty tomato kayi palya, that is green tomato curry, is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with steamed rice, chapatis, rotis. Thank you for watching my video.